Wait, are you finding difficult to talk in English? Are you getting fear when you're talking in front of people or in group discussions or in interviews? You can be of any age. Spending 5 minutes a day can bring you effectiveness in talking. Do you wish to talk in English? Do you wish to talk fluently in front of people or in group discussions or in interviews or just in front of public? This video is just for you. Hello everyone, I am Usha Kiran and welcome to C Cultivation. Spending 5 minutes a day can bring a drastic change in your speaking skill. This can be done by playing a simple game. I think you might already came across this game. This game is called Pick and Speak or Extempore. This is a very simple game yet very effective tool to build your speaking skill. What you need for this? You just need a smartphone or a computer for recording, and you have to spend just 5 minutes a day and 5 minutes daily to play the game. And you need a pinch of determination to build yourself. How the process goes? The process goes very simply. The process goes in three simple steps: before talk, during talk, and after talk. To say simply about extempore, you have to choose a topic randomly and you have to talk about it 2 minutes for continuously. So before talk, you have to choose a topic randomly. You can ask your friend for a random thing or object around you, or you can find a website which gives you a random tool. You can find the video, you can find the website link in the description. And so you have to choose a topic and you have to think for 15 to 20 seconds about what to talk and start recording and start speaking. During talk, you have to remember only two rules. One, you have to talk continuously about the topic without giving long pauses like this. Sorry. And you have to, and the second and final rule is you don't have any other rule to restrict you. You are free to make mistakes, you are free to talk, but about the topic. And after talk, and after the talk, you have to reopen the recorded video or audio and listen and observe what you talk, and note down the difficult areas you find while talking and note down the errors that you made during the talk. And that's all. Start correcting your mistakes bit by bit. You might ask me how this will work, whether this will work or not. Just let me give you a very small example. How you learn to walk. This is not a motivation video. How you learn to walk. We have tried to put steps bit by bit and we are falling hundreds and hundreds of times. And eventually we get up and we started walking after attempting hundreds and hundreds of attempts. So in the same way, we have to build our skill by reducing our mistakes bit by bit by practicing it daily. You are not alone. I am also going to do the same day after the day, daily, and list out my own mistakes and post the same. I'm not a perfect speaker. You can just observe that I made a lot of mistakes and I find it difficult to make this video itself. But I have tried it and I have posted it for you. So So the conclusion is very simple. You have to make mistakes, you have to observe them, you have to correct them. You have to make mistakes, you have to observe them, you have to correct them. Eventually, we'll will bring perfection in talk. And I'm concluding this video with few simple things. This this game is not applicable only for English alone. This can be used for any other language. If you find it difficult, you can start the game in your own mother tongue itself. And secondly, if you find this video useful, you can share this video to the required people, your friends or any other people. And if you want more such videos, you subscribe to the channel and keep supporting. Wait for the next video for a deeper discussion.